Hello guys. Okay, we finished our warm-up, so we're going to start with the class. Today we have vocabulary about food, okay? So we have some words. You are going to listen and then you are going to repeat. Let's do it. Sugarcane, wheat, cinnamon, butter, vanilla, ingredients, bark, plantation, steamship, spoil, leopard. Okay, now you're going to repeat after me. Sugarcane, wheat, cinnamon, butter, vanilla, ingredients, bark, plantation, steamship, spoil, leopard. Very good, guys. Now you're going to practice the words and then you're going to complete a small exercise.